As you play in the scale, it is important to keep the accented note, the dotted half note, stronger than the quarter note. So make sure the balance of power outweighs by a long shot the quarter note. Also, try to be very rhythmical, of course, and pay attention to how much bow are you using on the first note and the second note. It is important to maintain balance there as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website, where there's more information about the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.